good day po, ma'am. So today po, I will be assessing your nutritional status po, the UBA po, which is the mean upper and circumference po, and WHR, which is the waist to ratio, waist to hip ratio po. So first po, I'm going to measure your UBA po. So ilocate ko lang po yung nakaumbok na po sa shoulder ko po. We'll be measuring the length of your upper arm. So ma'am, touch your arm po, between your shoulder and the elbow po. So, the length of your upper arm po is 34 centimeter po. So, we will be dividing it by 2. So, it will be 17 po. I-mark ko lang po para. So, using that measurement po, we're going to measure the mid upper arm circumference po. So, relax nyo na lang po yung arm nyo. Is 20 centimeter. So, that indicate po that you are high risk po, ma'am. So, suggest po na kumain po kayo ng mga masustansya pagkain po, lalo na po yung mga fruits sa diba? So, next naman po, ang going to measure your WHR po, kumikisan po. First po, ang going to measure your waist po. So, ma'am, nasin po ba yung belly button? Measure ko lang po, 1 inch above po yung belly button. So, ma'am, relax your abdomen po. So, the measurement of your waist po is 24 inches po. Next naman po, measure your hip naman po. So, measure ko lang po around your bottom sa pinakamaumbok na part ng measurement of your hip po is 31 inches po. So, now we're dividing the waist to and hip po. So, it will be 0.77 or 0.8 po. So, ma'am, that indicate po that you are normal po and healthy po. Thank you po, ma'am, for your cooperation.